Hello 10th graders. Welcome to the All-Rounders, where you will get all information you want to know about. I am Nirwin Sharma, a 10th to 11th moving student. Today, I'm going to tell you some great YouTube channels from which you can study the entire 10th grade. And trust me, these channels are really great. I have watched lectures from them a lot. Before we start, I want to tell you the format of this video. The video comprises of some types of channels. These are maths, science, SST, English, Hindi, and some bonus ones also. We'll get to that later. Let's begin with mathematics. First, we have Shabbat Nirwin. His teaching style is exceptional, and he has the ability to simplify even the most difficult problems. He doesn't just focus on class 10. He also prepares students for concepts beyond that level. I've personally attended his popular 14 days, 14 chapters marathon sessions. You can find links to his lectures in the description below. Next is Ritik Misra, who teaches classes 9 and 10. If you're someone who finds the basics challenging, he could be the perfect mentor for you. He explains every concept clearly, starting right from the fundamentals. You can also check out his lectures in the description below. Both mentors have excellent teaching styles, so you can choose the one that fits your learning needs best. Next up, science. You've got 3 solid channels to choose from. First is EXP Prashant Kurat for class 9 and 10. His teaching vibe is top tier, super engaging, funny, and easy to understand. It feels less like a classroom and more like learning from an elder brother. Only catch, the videos are short and straight to the point. Great for quick revision or finishing the syllabus fast, but not very detailed. Second is Alak Sir for class 9 and 10. He is a well-known name for a reason. Clear explanations, strong concepts, and high energy. But again, the lectures are crisp and compact. Best suited for revision or rapid syllabus coverage. Now, if you want deeper understanding to solve this issue, go for the Warrior Batch by PW Foundation or the detailed long-format lectures from UDON. They cover topics thoroughly and build concepts from scratch. After completing the full lectures there, you can return to either of the 2 main channels for revision and reinforcement. That's the smart combo. Next up, SST. And honestly, there's one name that stands out instantly. Digraj Singh Rajput. No debate, no confusion. If you're serious about social science, he's the safest pick. He has this amazing ability to turn long history chapters, political concepts, geography topics, and economics ideas into something genuinely interesting. The way he connects events, explains cause and effect, and builds clear storylines makes everything easier to remember. His explanations are structured, simple, and exam-oriented. You don't just cram facts, you actually understand the logic behind them. From class 9 onward, many students stick with him consistently, and that says a lot. His clarity, energy, and consistency make a real difference. If you follow his lectures properly, make short notes, and revise smartly, SST can easily become one of your strongest scoring subjects. Next up, English. And real talk, there's one channel that vibes with millions of students, dear sir. No confusion, no long-winded vibes. For English grammar, spoken English, and board prep, he's a name you'll hear everywhere. What makes his teaching click? He takes tricky grammar rules, sentence stuff, and speaking skill tips and makes them feel obvious, even if English feels hard. His style is simple, friendly, and totally student-friendly Hindi explanations. You'll actually follow along instead of zoning out. He focuses on real examples, short tricks, and practical usage, not just theory you forget next day. His fans are hardcore. Millions of subs and huge engagement mean students trust him for board English and even competitive prep. If you watch his lessons, make crisp notes, and practice regularly, English can actually start feeling doable, maybe even fun. Next up, Hindi. And if we're being honest, one channel that really pops up again and again, Hindi Adhyapak. No fuzz, No confusion. For Hindi language prep, especially grammar, writing, and textbook questions, he's one channel worth checking. He explains tricky grammar rules in a way that actually makes sense instead of just dumping rules on you. He also covers things like how to frame answers, important practice questions, and writing skills that board exams care about. His content isn't just random, it's made for students dealing with real school syllabus stuff. You'll find help with Hindi A/B, grammar tricks, and chapter summaries that make revision easier. A lot of students actually use his videos to clarify grammar and writing sections and say his way of explaining helps them feel more confident. If you watch his lessons consistently, take quick notes, and practice writing regularly, Hindi can stop feeling like a headache and start feeling doable. And now, bonus tip. Listen carefully. No teacher can magically increase your marks. The real game: consistency, revision, practice. You can study from the best channels out there, but if you don't revise weekly, solve sample papers, and analyze your mistakes, nothing changes. So pick your teacher. Stick to one. Avoid hopping from channel to channel every week. Master one source. Revise smart. Practice hard. That's the actual bonus strategy. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching till the end. It genuinely means a lot. If this helped you even a little, make sure you support the video. And now I want to hear from you. Which teacher are you following this year? Did I miss someone amazing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's help each other out. Share this with your friends who are still confused about which teacher to choose. Study smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.